Thanks for coming to check out today's video. So today's video is sponsored by a company that I have worked with so many times before. You guys already know when you see this beautiful purple box, it's coming from LuvMe hair, and I'm super excited because I do definitely support this brand and love their hair. So if you want to check out what I have for you guys today, definitely keep on watching. All right, before we get started, make sure you hit that subscribe button, turn on your notification bell so you never miss a new upload from your girl, because I got a lot of good stuff coming and I don't want you all to miss out. All right, so let's see what we have today. It looks like we got a curly one. Oh, this wig looks so pretty. Look at how good that looks. Cute. So you could, of course, you have your information packet. They are going to give you a little duster bag to keep your wig in, or you can keep your wig in the box. You get a rat tail comb. If you do keep your wig in the box, you can put a label on it so you can know what's inside the box without having to open it. This is super helpful to keep you organized with your wigs. A lace melt band, a wig cap set, an edge brush, and a user guide on how to take care of your wig. Pretty. Okay, so we just got a curly bob unit. Looks like it is a closure unit. It is pre-bleached. Wow, that is a nice plucking and an amazing bleach job. This looks really good and really natural. This one is going to be a easy pop on and go. I love the fact that this has the combs on the side. I know a lot of people don't fool with the combs. I like the combs for extra security. When wigs don't have the combs, I usually will use bobby pins, but I love that this has the combs. Oh, and it has a nice elastic band inside that is adjustable, just to give you that extra level of security when you're rocking your wig. I love that. And the comb in the back. This is the one I tend not to use, but I do tend to use these. Oh, and you also have a comb at the top. So this one is definitely going to feel nice and secure without having to use any, you know, anything to secure your wig like glue. So I'm going to pop this one on, take this off. I already have my wig cap on. I have a weird braid pattern going on underneath here because I am going to be doing a crochet hair review in a little bit. I'm not going to take those braids out, but let's just pop her on to see how she would look straight out the pack. Oh, look at this little bob. She is cute. And I really don't feel like much needs to be done here. I mean, we could do a little bit of plucking. We could do a little bit of plucking, but I'm almost tempted to just wear her behind my hairline. Oh no, I have my braids in. See, I was gonna wear her behind my hairline, but I have my braids in and I don't want to take them out. Actually, let me go ahead and just cut the lace off now. Look at how thin that lace is. Lace is so thin. Look how natural that looks. That is crazy. This bad boy is blending like crazy. This wig is cute. Okay, I'm gonna do my makeup. And yeah, I don't think we have to do a whole lot with this right here. So I'm gonna do my makeup. All right, so yeah, I'm going to go ahead and do my makeup and I will be right back. All right, so I did my makeup and yeah, I feel like it came out a little cute today or whatever, a little cute. So I'm gonna take my little clips out. This hair is so pretty. You don't even have to wet it or do anything. Like, I don't feel the need to refresh these curls. It just came out the box ready. So I'm not about to sit here and overwork this and do more work than I would actually do in real life just because I'm sitting here in front of y'all. Like, if a wig is ready to go out the box, I'm not about to sit here and do all this extra stuff just to pretend for y'all like I wouldn't go out with this wig just like this. I absolutely would, because it's fire. So the only thing I am going to do is just address the cap underneath. So I'm gonna just pull this cap forward a little bit. And I think I'm just gonna darken the cap a little bit with some pressed powder. I'm probably just gonna take this brown right here, make this area a little bit darker of the cap area. And honestly, I think I am good to go here. I think this wig is super cute. Maybe I'll just finger fluff it a little bit with my fingers just to get a little more volume. I think that looks a lot more natural. I think this wig is really, really beautiful. Really beautiful. And it's easy. Very easy. And it's perfect for this time of season. I think this is a beautiful wig. I'm absolutely going to be wearing this in New York City this weekend. I'm so grateful to LuvMe for sending over this hair for me to review. Highly recommend this one, you all. If you are not like super wig savvy or super good at blending, this one is just good to go. And if you wanted to blend a little more around the edges, you can always just add a little bit of pressed powder in your skin tone, and I think you'll be good to go. I'm not gonna do any of that because, like I said, I feel like this wig just looks good the way it is. So I'm not gonna overwork it just for the camera because I don't think it's necessary. I think this wig is really, really beautiful, ready to go. So if you guys have questions or I missed something, leave it in the comments down below and I'll be sure to get back to you with any answers that I can provide. I'll leave a link down below to where you can grab this wig, and I'll also give you guys my coupon code in case you want to order yourself. Again, thank you LuvMe Hair for sending over this unit. Make sure you guys do one thing for me, share this video. Share it with a friend, share it with a wig lover, share this video with your mama. Peace.